This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules.
हसन साहब ने आपको बोला, जो उन्होंने न्यूज़पेपर में निकाला वही उन्होंने हमको भी बोला था, लेकिन we told them there also that this has to be brought in public domain and everybody has to discuss it. It is not legislator वो खुद ही करेंगे, 10 का तो चलेगा, वो नहीं चलेगा. It is not 47, it is not 63, 58. They are imposing income tax from there and nobody will speak from here. People will come out if our this autonomy is at stake. The businessmen, I think, all of them will support it, that they will not compromise the autonomy for small gains. Nobody will do that. And they gave us assurance. That it will be safeguarded. The reason for us to ask them to bring in public domain was this thing only. We are not legal experts. Businessman is not a legal expert. If he has a legal problem, he will go to his legal advisor. If he has a tax problem, he goes to a tax advisor. So we told them we will bring it to public domain so that all the stakeholders will come forward and say this is wrong, this point is wrong, this point is wrong, this point is not wrong. You see, they are not. They have told us tomorrow they are bringing in the assembly. Tomorrow they are bringing in the assembly. They have not given it to us. Nobody has given to anybody. No trade body has received any copy of it. Nothing has been done. This deceit, this is a question of deceit. That is why we are warning them that you are doing this in deceit.
Started the process 1 month.
You see, question is they can't deceive people now. People are not those people, Kashmiri people who are in 47 or 53. They will do बख्शिशों करे, सोपरी इंजी करे, दस्खत. देखिए सर, हम बोल रहे हैं, तो हमने तो बोला है ना. We have said what we are going to do. This is the first step. Once they do it, then the same coordination committee will sit down. If you remember 2008, we had a coordination committee. Every week there used to be a meeting. Every 2 days, 3 days will be a meeting. Same process will be started here. All the leaders will sit down and create another program.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 01942468500 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.